Gas. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Well, I eat better when you're cooking with gas. Gas. You see it today. Got some chicken parts, got some legs, and some wings. These are the seasonings that I use. And also grinded up half of a chicken bouillon cube. And these are the sides I'm making with the chicken. I'm using Canada seasoned Southern style glory mixed greens. Some of these Knorr, cheddar, and broccoli pasta. Never had it before. And remember, use the same seasoning to season your flour, but double it. Or just put a little more. Yeah, you see it. Fried chicken, greens with hot sauce, cheddar and something, pasta. Broccoli and cheddar pasta. Looks delicious. Gas. Cooking with gas. Cooking with gas. Well, I eat better when you're cooking with gas. Gas. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.